Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your profile banner on your Discord. So first I will go to my Discord app, and if I go right here in the right bottom of the page, here as you can see beside my profile picture, which I don't have one, is this blue thing. So we will go ahead and change that. Here in the Discord app, you can only change your profile picture. If you go to my account, you can change it from here. So if you want to change our profile banner, we have to go on a browser. I will go to this browser. You can also go to Chrome, to Mozilla, or whatever you want, and type this website, canary.discord.com. So it's this one, and here we want to go on the desktop site. So I will click on these three lines in the bottom of the page in the right corner, and if you are on your Chrome, then these three lines will be in the right corner from the top of the page. So I will click on desktop site. So you have download, share, and desktop site. Click on that, and we wanted to go on the desktop side because is on the mobile side we didn't have this login button. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and here you will have to log in with your email or phone number. So once we're here, we have to go on the bottom of the page on this setting icon right here besides the headphones, and then I will zoom out a little bit, and we want to go on user profile. So click on that. Then here you can change your profile picture, your avatar, and your profile banner. So if you want to change your profile banner, you have to click on this unlock with Nitro, and here you have to subscribe to them. So I know that most of you are subscribed to Nitro. I am not, so if you are, you can go ahead and click subscribe, and then you'll be able to change your profile banner. And if you want to log out from the site, you can go ahead and click right here on log out. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash the like button, and you can also comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.